और आइए सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं कप्तान महेंद्र सिंह धोनी मीडिया के सामने।
Mahendra, you've become the first captain to have won 2 series in Australia. Purely from a personal point of view, what's the level of satisfaction today? And what did you feel at the break today when they got almost 200 and for the first time in this series we would be chasing rather than setting a target?
I think if you see the series, especially from the Sydney ODI, the bowlers have to some extent turned it around, and the batsmen were still doing that job of scoring runs. This must be the only series where every time people have scored 300 runs. We have put 300 runs on the board without too many batsmen, getting a chance to bat. Apart from that one game, the fourth ODI that we lost. So I feel the batsmen were doing really good job. What really happened was the bowlers started chipping in more. Yes, it may be the extra fielder that they get in the T20s, outside, so the spinners feel a bit more comfortable. Also, the execution of the Yorkers was very good. And at the same time, I think the batsmen, they gave that extra 10%. After playing 4 or 5 ODIs, they knew that they will have to give that extra 5 to 10%, and that's what they really did. And as far as today's score is concerned, during the break time, there was a feeling that, dew has set in. There was a bit of dew on the field, which meant, it was always a big score, but which meant if we batted well, and the way we were batting in the series so far, it is definitely a target that we could chase down. And the kind of start was needed, I think that was provided by the top 2 batsmen, the openers, and it was well capitalized by Virat, coming at number 3. And after that, the game got close when we lost Virat's wicket, and we had a few dot deliveries after that. But overall, we never thought that it is something that's beyond a par score. And I feel, we have closed the series really well, because we are always lacking that, that one extra step that was needed from the side. We were not able to do that. But in the last 3 or 4 games, we can definitely say that we have done it. As a team, we have done it. But I would still give that extra credit to the bowlers.
You haven't answered my first question.
I'm happy, at the end of the day, we have won, and it's a comprehensive victory. Winning 3-0 against Australia in Australia, it's always a big one. But it's more about how the team is looking, rather than, just looking at it as a captain, okay, we have won the series over here. But what's more important is looking at the bigger picture. And what looks good is, Bumrah as a potential player, is somebody who's looking very good. Even today, he bowled the Yorkers really well. And I've always said, to be successful in the shorter format, you have to execute the Yorkers. Whether you choose to bowl it or not, that's up to you. But if you don't have an option, then definitely at some point of a time, you will be under pressure.
Saurabh?
My congrats on the win. Keeping the World 2020 in mind, what do you think are the biggest gains for India from this series, apart from the obvious top order batting, Shikhar, Rohit and Virat?
Well, if you see, the lower order has not got much chance to bat, but looking at the potential and their reputation, and at the same time how they have played IPL, they are the ones who should come good. Bowling department was a bit of a concern, not the spinners. I think it was the medium pacers. Even in the ODI series, there are a lot of instances where at times you feel a bit helpless as to what could be done at that point of time, because execution is something that's very important. But at the same time, I would like to say this format, the T20 format, they get that extra fielder outside. They know the batsman is looking to go after them, so they can use the variation right from the start. The ODI format is slightly different. The batsman chooses when he wants to attack the bowler, or what's the type of shot he's looking for. So the formats are different. But again, as I said, it's the bowlers, that we were really looking for. And I feel, when it comes to the fast bowler, Bumrah and Ashish has done a good job in the 3 games that they have played. Hardik, I think, as a package, he's good. He's a very good fielder. At the same time, if he gives me that, the 2 overs if I need, and the kind of batting that he's known for, he looks like a good one to have as a third seamer. He can give me 2 overs and at the same time bat lower down and, field well.
I'll take last 4 questions in English. Question from Mr. Sanjeev.
Basically, when you came in that time also, we had a very solid batting lineup. What is the quality that stands out in this?
Well, I think the way we have chased down big totals, and at the same time, what I've always felt was difficult is the fact that when you come up with a big performance, you score 100 or a 80, a big score, and then you follow it up by another big score. What has been good in this series is the top order has consistently performed, which is very difficult, because I've always felt the pressure when you are scoring lots of runs, you get a lot of confidence, but at the same time, there comes a time when you put that extra pressure on yourself. You may think, okay, that law of averages will get stuck at some point of time and all of that, but they have carried through the whole series. They batted well throughout the series. They always gave us a very good start, and it was always the top order. If you talk about 5, 6, 7 and lower down batsmen, apart from that one game, we were just doing the sweeping job of playing 8 to 10 deliveries, 12 deliveries or 15 deliveries maximum. So I think the top order did really well in this tournament for us.
Last 3 questions in English, Chetan, Devinder and Ed Shambhai. I'll start with Chetan.
Not just the World T20 or the T20 series, looking back at the ODIs also, you have 5 youngsters given debuts on this tour, and then Manish Pandey also played 2, 3 ODIs and getting that made 100. So from that perspective, India's bench strength, not just for the World T20, how does this tour set India's bench strength up?
I think also when we came over here, we did come with a bowling lineup that was slightly, you can say, they didn't have the same kind of experience. But at the same time, we wanted to try different people because, we have been trying the same few individual and we have been getting the same result. So it was high time that, we gave chance to a few individuals who are doing well in the domestic circuit and to see what really, they have to offer. And at the same time, once they play over here and they get back, they at least know what are the departments where they need to work on. Because our first class and international cricket, there's a lot of difference. The gap is quite wide between them. So now at least with a few games here and a bit of practice with the Indian team and with the bowling coaches, at least once they go back, they know what needs to be done. I think a lot of them will have to field really hard. They'll have to push themselves to improve their fielding. And as far as just the talent is concerned, there were quite a few people, who looked good. But as I said, they'll have to improve further. Find for me was Bumrah. The way he has bowled in the last 3 games, he has been really good. खामियां थी जो हमने गलत किया या हमने एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया जिसके कारण हम मैचेस हार गए, बट ओवरऑल अगर आप देखो तो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव हमारे लिए रहा है ये सीरीज थी जो हमने गलत किया या हमने एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया जिसके कारण हम मैचेस हार गए, बट ओवरऑल अगर आप देखो तो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव हमारे लिए रहा है ये सीरीज़. स्पेशली बैटिंग लाइनअप की बात करें तो बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि 300 का रन ऑलमोस्ट हर मैच में स्कोर किया गया हो, और जब T20 में जब फॉर्मेट चेंज हुआ तो हर मैच में 190 के ऊपर का रन बना है. सो बैटिंग बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है. बॉलिंग में ऑन एंड ऑफ स्पिनर्स ने अपने हिसाब से ठीक काम किया है. फास्ट बॉलर्स ने अभी T20 में काफ़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग की है. तो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव्स हैं हमारे पास. काफ़ी जो ये सीरीज़ है उससे हमें डिसीजन मेकिंग में एज अ सिलेक्शन पैनल एंड एज कैप्टन एंड कोचेज काफ़ी जो डिसीजन होंगे फ्यूचर के हमारे, उसमें काफ़ी क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी. क्योंकि अभी भी ऐसा कभी कभी लगता था कि दीज आर द पीपल हु हैव समथिंग टू ऑफर, वेदर दे शुड बी इन द साइड, टीम में रहना चाहिए नहीं रहना चाहिए. आई फील आफ्टर दिस काफ़ी क्लैरिटी हमारे दिमाग में आ जाएगी एज टू हम लोग ये जो बॉलर्स हैं इनको टेस्ट मैचेस में रखना चाहेंगे. एट द सेम टाइम हम लोग कुछ यंगस्टर्स को ग्रूम करना चाहेंगे जो लिमिटेड ओवर फॉर्मेट में हमारे लिए और अच्छा कर सकें, जो तेज़ भी डालते हो, साथ में यॉर्कर्स या वेरिएशंस अच्छे यूज़ करते हो. और जैसे ऋषि को अगर आप देखें तो अगर दोबारा हम न्यूजीलैंड जाएंगे और हो सकता है जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम वहाँ पे स्ट्रगल किए थे कि 2 स्पिनर के साथ थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया था, ग्राउंड बहुत छोटे थे, टर्न नहीं हो रहा था, तो ऋषि जैसा कोई बॉलर या हार्दिक जैसा कोई बॉलर फीचर कर सकता है. सो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव आए हैं इस सीरीज़ में. येस, रिजल्ट अगर आप देखें तो हम 4-1 से वनडे सीरीज़ हार गए, बट उसके बाद जो 4 मैचेस हम खेले आई थिंक एज अ टीम हम बहुत ही अच्छा खेले हैं. काफ़ी कैचेस ड्रॉप हुए हैं आई एडमिट, बट एट द सेम टाइम काफ़ी परफॉर्मेंसेस ग्राउंड में थे जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे थे.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर लेले.
4 वो जीते 4 हम जीते, तो ये जो कंसिस्टेंसी ये पूरे 8 मैचेस में रखी, ये कितनी अहमियत रखती है? और दूसरी बात जो अनुभव की कमी थी, और युवराज है, रैना है, आशीष वापस अच्छी तरीके से आ गए, ये सब चीज़ें आपके लिए कितना मायने रखती है?
आई थिंक मैं हर बार बॉलिंग के लिए थोड़ा वरीड रहता हूँ, स्पेशली जब हम इंडिया के बाहर आते हैं. तो कुछ हद तक स्पेशली अभी क्योंकि हम छोटा फॉर्मेट खेल रहे हैं, T20 खेलेंगे और अब आगे कंसिस्टेंट समय के लिए T20 खेलेंगे, तो उसमें बॉलिंग लाइन थोड़ी सेटल्ड लग रही है. आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द बॉलिंग लाइनअप. जो यहाँ पे सेट ऑफ प्लेयर्स हैं, एक दो चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम इंडिया में जब खेलेंगे तो विल सी कि कोई और स्पिनर अगर टीम में हमें लाना है या कोई और मीडियम फास्ट लाना है इंस्टेड ऑफ क्विक बॉलर. उसके अलावा अगर आप देखें तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा है पूरा जो सेटअप रहा है. बैट्समैन ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म किया है. बैक टू बैक 8 मैचेस में इतने रन बनाए जो कि किसी सीरीज़ में मुझे नहीं लगता है कभी बने होंगे. आई मे बी रॉन्ग, बट उससे भी काफ़ी कुछ ये पता चलता है कि दे आर हंग्री फॉर रन्स. हर मैच में वो जाके परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं. हम काफ़ी एम्फेसिस देते हैं कि अगर आप एक अच्छे फॉर्म में हो तो मेक श्योर कि आप टीम को थ्रू लेके जाएं, रन बनाते जाएं जितना, क्योंकि पहले 50 रन आपके लिए होते हैं, उसके बाद जितना बनाते हैं वो टीम के लिए होते हैं. सो इन सारी चीज़ों को देखा जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है ये सीरीज़ हमारे लिए. येस, हम हार गए हैं, 4-1 से हम ODI हारे, 3-0 से हम T20 जीते हैं, बट ओवरऑल जब नेक्स्ट टाइम हम यहाँ पे आएंगे डेफिनेटली ना सिर्फ हम एज अ टीम विल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट, बट यहाँ के जो स्पेक्टेटर्स हैं वो भी दे विल ऑल्सो लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर द इंडियन टीम टू कम बैक ओवर हियर, बिकॉज जो भी हुआ है हमने उनको एंटरटेन किया है. 8 मैचेस जो हमने खेले हैं, इट वॉज वेरी गुड फॉर देम. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक जो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के फैंस हैं, हर जगह वो आए, सारे मैचेस में वो आए और हमें सपोर्ट किया.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.